So you're a new travel agent, now what? In this video, I'm going to share the first steps that you should take as a brand new travel agent to get started off on the right foot. First of all, welcome to the channel. My name is Alma and I grew my agency from 0 to 7 figures and being earmarked by Disney in just under 3 years. I did this all with organic marketing, and on this channel, I share what I know with you so you can do the same. So let's talk about the first steps to take after you've opened your travel agency. Step 1 is building your brand. Creating a strong brand identity is key when opening up any business, and travel agencies are no exception. But this doesn't just start and end with your logo and brand colors. This is just the beginning. You'll start with your eye-catching logo, perhaps a slogan, and then start creating your website and marketing materials to reflect who you are as an agency and what services you offer. This is going to extend to everything that you do, from marketing to how you're managing your clients. This is important because it's going to help establish trust with your potential clients, and it's going to give them the confidence they need when they're booking their trip with you. Another really important thing to consider when you're starting to develop your brand is that your brand name is not already taken. So make sure you're doing your research beforehand to make sure you won't have any legal issues further down the road. Also consider how you started your agency. Are you an independent agent, or are you registered under a host agency? If you're registered under a host agency, make sure your host agency is okay with you developing a brand for yourself. To give you a little bit of a head start, be sure to grab my free brand board template so you can start crafting the feel and look of your brand. Step 2 is developing your network. Building relationships with vendors like airlines, hotels, and tour operators is essential for your travel business. You'll also want to create a solid network of reliable partners so you can offer competitive rates on bookings without sacrificing the quality. Keeping these relationships strong is going to keep you up to date with industry trends and also be able to negotiate good deals for yourself and your customers. The relationship and connection that I built with my Disney Business Development Manager has definitely helped a lot with the growth of my agency. Step 3, establishing policies and procedures. Running a travel agency involves complex processes, some that include multiple parties. So it's important to have clear policies in place from the beginning regarding cancellations, fees, deposits, and anything like that. This is going to ensure that everyone understands the terms and services before any booking is made and provide clarity throughout the whole booking process. On that same note, creating systems and processes is not only going to make your life that much easier, but it's going to make sure your brand message is clear throughout your whole client onboarding process. I utilize tools like email templates and task lists that I load into my client management system, and they keep me on track and organized. Take this time in the early stage of your business to set up your processes for success. This is going to make sure that you're ready to take on clients efficiently when they start flowing in. Step 4 is to set up your accounting. You don't want your business finances to get mixed up with your personal finances, so it's really important to set up a separate bank account for your travel agency income. Additionally, utilizing software like QuickBooks Online will help you keep track of your income and expenses and make sure it doesn't get lost in all the paperwork. Step 5 is to promote your business. Once everything's set up in terms of branding, networking, and account management, it's time to start spreading the word about your new business. Online marketing is going to be your bread and butter. Like I mentioned before, I grew my agency with organic marketing, meaning I didn't pay a buttload of money for advertising. So establishing your brand online will help increase awareness about who you are as an agency and what services you provide. When you're done all of the above, create a launch plan for your agency and officially announce how you can help people with their travel. One more thing. Finally, and most importantly, don't forget about customer service. Excellent customer service goes a long way, so strive to be prompt when responding to inquiries or complaints. You'll create great relationships with your clients, and it'll help your agency grow exponentially. Starting a travel business is both exciting and intimidating all at the same time, but following these steps should help make things run smoothly from the start. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more on how to grow your travel business. Have a great day.